What's up, babes? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be talking all about hair. So thank you so much to Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. that I'm rocking in today's video is a short curly fringe bang unit. This unit is gorgeous, you guys. I love it. Love the curl pattern on it. I love how loose the curl pattern is on it. It's kind of like a deep wave and a water wave kind of mixed together, and this unit is in 12 inches. So as you guys can see, I have chose to rock this unit in a updo. I love the bangs, but you guys know it is super duper hot. So I feel like this is the perfect summer unit. It is a perfect length and everything, girl. I also love that I decided to do the updo because I got a chance to pick and choose what my bangs look like. I didn't want them to be too thick, and I didn't want them to be too thin either. I like the fringe bang, like minimum bang, not too much bang going on kind of look. So I love this look, you guys. My hair is pulled up, it's out of my face. So this unit does come in 2 different inches. It comes in 10 inches and 12. So like I said, I do have 12, and I love how versatile this unit is. I love that it could be worn up, it could be worn down. You can even choose to put the bangs completely out of the face if I wanted to. Like I literally could just do like that. Of course I would have to tweak some things in the scarf and stuff, girl, but it can just be worn so many different ways. This unit definitely puts me in the mind of a headband wig without the band, with the bangs, if that makes sense, girl. But I love this unit, you guys. I'm gonna have so much fun rocking this unit. This unit is so cute, you guys. Like, it really just makes you look youthful. I think it's the bangs, girl. I think it's the fringe bangs, okay? There's no leave out with this unit, you guys, besides my little baby hairs that I did. There's no glue, there's no lace, none of that. So you don't have to worry about any of that, especially when you're in between styles or you don't really know how you want to do your hair, because I always have those moments. This is the moment that I can throw this on. Like, I love this. Super cute. Change out different scarves to match my outfits and stuff like that, and I'm good to go. This unit is the perfect length. It's perfect for summer, beginner friendly, and low maintenance. So if you are not familiar with laces, or you don't want to be bothered with lace because it is the summer months, this is definitely the way to go, girl. Everything will be linked down in my description bar below. Check Luvme hair out. You guys know I love them. I stand on them, honey, and I am an advocate for them. I just love their hair in general, you guys. Bomb hair, bomb lace. I say it in every single video, except this unit does not have lace, but nevertheless the hair is still gorgeous and the unit is still beautiful. So the direct link and everything, coupon codes, pretty much everything you guys will need will be in my description bar below. Be sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, honey. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.